Hi, this is Norma once again, your math solution provider. In my previous video, we discussed linear equations. I told you linear equations is like the beginning of better things to happen in maths. So now we're going to be discussing simultaneous linear equations. In linear equations, we had just one unknown. But now this time we're going to have two unknowns. But the thing is that we're going to be having two equations as well. So you have two unknowns, two equations. Because if it's not that way, it will be difficult for us to find a solution. So let's take an example. There are actually two ways of solving simultaneous equations. You have the substitution method and the elimination method. In this video, we will discuss elimination method, then I will do another video for substitution method. Now, let's get down to it. These are the two equations. We call the first one equation 1 and the second one equation 2. What do we do? Now, we try to eliminate one of the variables, either x or y. Now, when you take a look at these two equations, you can see that y doesn't have a coefficient, and the first equation, y doesn't have a coefficient, and the second equation, y does not have a coefficient. So we can try to eliminate y. Good. So what do? We say equation 1 minus equation 2. Now, let's take a look at it. You put minus, minus, minus. So you have 3x minus x, which gives us 2x. Y minus y will give us 0. And we have 10 minus 4, which gives us 6. Now a linear equation is formed. What do? 2x is now equals to 6. So you have 2x equals 6. X, divide both sides by 2. X equals 6 over 2, which gives us 3. Wow. Now, we'll carry that 3 and substitute back into the original equations. Any of the two works. Put it back and try to solve for y. So we let's take it to equation 1. We have 3 bracket 3 plus y equals 10. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus y equals 10. So another linear equation, we have y equals 10 minus 9, which gives us 1. Now we'll try to find out if it actually works, if it's really true. Now, x is 3 and y is 1. So you can use any of the equations. Let's use the second equation, equation 2. We got x as 3, and we got y as 1. And what's 3 plus 1? 4. So we are actually right. Let's take another example. We have 4x minus y equals 17. And we also have x minus y equals 2. Now, still, we have the coefficients of y, still minus 1 and minus 1. So we can still try to eliminate y because it's easier for us. Because maths, in as much as we're trying to solve, trying to find the easier way out so that maybe when you find yourself in an exam condition or something, you're a bit faster. So now, what do? We still subtract. Try to eliminate y again. We have minus, minus, minus. 4x minus x is 3x. Minus y minus minus y. That's minus y plus minus minus gives us plus. So it's minus y plus y, which still gives us 0, equals 15. So you have 3x equals 15, and our x equals 15 divided by 3, which gives us 5. Okay, so we substitute 5 into equation 2. We got to number our equations. Okay, we now have 5 minus y equals 2. Remember our jumping, we have minus y equals 2 minus 5. We have minus y equals minus 3. And you cancel out both minuses and you get y equals 3. So we have x equals 5 and y equals 3. So try and put them back into the equation and see if it really works. So let's take another example. We have 2x minus 3y equals 16 and x plus 2y equals minus 6. Now, as you can see, the x variable doesn't have the same coefficients in the two equations, and the same thing goes for y. What should we do? We'll try to make x have the same coefficients. How do we do it? We start by multiplying equation 2 by 2. And when you do that, you have 2x plus 4y equals minus 12. And we can give that, call it equation 3. So now we can see that equation 1 and equation 3 have the same coefficients. X has the same coefficients in equation 2 and equation 1 and equation 3. So we subtract. We say equation 1 minus equation 3, which will give us 2x minus 2x, 0. So 0, we have minus 3y minus 4y will give us minus 7y. And we have 16 minus 12, which will give us 28. Remember, our minus gives us plus, so we have 28. Okay? So we have minus 7y equals 28. Divide both sides by minus 7. We have y equals 28 over minus 7, which gives us minus 4. We substitute the y back into the equation. Let's say equation 1. We have 2x minus 3 brackets minus 4 equals 16. You have 2x plus 12 equals 16. You have 2x equals 16 minus 12, which will still give us 4. So you have x equals 4 over 2, which gives us 2. So we can try substituting x and y into the equations and see if we are actually correct. So let's look at this equation. We have 2x plus 4y equals 26 and 3x minus y equals 4. Now, not the same. Not the same. We need to make one of them the same. So let's work with y. Let's try to make y the same, have the same coefficients. And we can do that by multiplying equation 2 by 4. Okay? So equation 2, let's multiply equation 2 by 4. We have 2 times 4, equation 2 times 4, which gives us 12x minus 4y equals 16. And let's call it equation 3. Now we're working with equation 1 and equation 3. Good. So now we have to be careful of the signs. You can see we have plus 4 here and we have minus 4 here. So what do you do to plus 4 and minus 4 to make it 0? You add. That's plus 4 plus minus 4 gives us 0. Plus 4 plus minus 4 is the same thing as saying 4 minus 4, because plus minus gives us minus. So we add equations 1 and equations 3, which gives us, you have 1 plus 3, equation 1 plus equation 3, you have 2x plus 12x, which gives us 14x. 4y plus minus 4y gives us the 0 we talked about earlier. And we have 26 plus 16, which gives us 42. So now we have our linear equation, 14x equals 42, 14x equals 42, and which gives us our x equals 42 over 14, which equals 3. So now our x is 3. We'll have to put it back into the equation and get our y. So we now substitute x equals 3 to get our y. This is equation 2. We have 3 brackets 3 minus y equals 4. So you have 9 minus y equals 4. Remember our jumping linear equations. Y minus y equals 4 minus 9. Gives us minus y equals minus 5. And we cancel out our minus since they are the same. So we have y equals 5. So we have x equals 3 and y equals 5. Now put them back into the equations and see if we actually right. We learned one or two things from this video. Please get a good maths textbook and solve as many questions as you can in simultaneous linear equation. If you have any questions, any issues or topics you want us to discuss, please feel free to use the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications when other videos come out. Thank you.